Okay, guys, so I have been, this right here is all of the stuff that I need to get hung up today. Um, since we went through my garage, and anything I had not hung up that was for sale or anything like that, we brought in here because it's very overwhelming for me to go to my garage. It's cold. I don't know, it doesn't feel homey. And so I don't spend that much time out there. So my husband brought it in here so that I can put it on the hangers, and then just makes it a lot easier for me to go outside and just to hang up. But I wanted to show you guys, watch out, baby. I think there's another one, isn't there? Maybe not. So I got this obviously a while ago. So it's all dusty and dirty and yeah, yuck. I've not used it in forever because I've just had, and this is like my yard sale pile. I have all my stuff going right now. So this my husband got me a while ago. It's a tool chest, but it's not for me. This is what I was using. I have not used it since we moved into this house, and we've been here for a year and a half. But I think it's amazing. It's just this Husky Connect rolling system. And so I've decided I'm going to make this like my quote rolling craft cart. So if you all remember, I don't make New Year's resolutions, but I said that I'm going to just make myself kind of a promise that I want to get some crafts done this year. But it's really hard because I have to bring it inside, and then you have to put it away when you're not done with it, and it makes, So what I'm going to do is I have this little craft cart thing. Let me undo it right here. So it latches in each of these spots. I should probably turn it off and unlatch it. I don't know. Anyways, is it going to come off? Yeah. So what I like about it is that it latches on the sides here. And so we'll take this one off. So this is supposed to be like a toolbox or whatever. It's through. Oh, I just squished my finger. Oh, my dog. Yeah. So this is the second part of it. I don't think it's latched. It might be. So there's 3 parts. And so this is supposed to be for like all your little trinkets for like your tools, but I have put like long time ago all these little embellishments and stuff in here. And then this is a hot flipping mess is what this is. It has everything in it. It's like just everything. So there's that. Let's see what's in this one. Where's the front of you? So on the front of this is like the quote toolbox. So what my plan is today is I'm going to go through these and pretty much clear everything out. I am going to I've been looking for these. I'm telling you, I haven't been in this in over a year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the tools and stuff that I use often. I don't care if it's my Cricut tools. I don't care what it goes to. It's going to go in here so that if I want to do something, yeah, my finger is bleeding because I just squished it. I just know it's exactly in here no matter what. And I don't have to keep running, getting up, and going to other things. And then down here, well, I just got to get all that crap out of here. So my plan is to try to get these messes organized. And then, like I said, I'll put all the tools and stuff that I need up here. I won't have to go hunt for them no matter what I'm trying to do. And then in this big area down here, I want to put like whatever, like 2 projects or whatever that I'm working on that day. Or that day, all right, it'll take me a week. But at least they're all in here, everything I think I'll need and stuff. And then once I complete the project, I'll take everything out for it and then put everything for my new project in there. And then this, I'm not sure yet. But it's just going to be so much easier because when I want to do a craft, I can just grab this and come out instead of thinking like, what do I need for it? So like I said, that's my plan. And then the thing is, like, when I go to put it away, it's all in here. So I can leave this like anywhere in my bedroom or whatever, and it's not going to make a mess because it's just this little thing. The first thing I'm going to do is wash it off because it's disgusting and very dirty. But I'll show you guys kind of my progress. That's my biggest plan for today. I've been wanting it in here so I could go through it. So that's really my biggest plan for today. So let's see how it goes. Okay, you all, one thing I didn't point out in this top thing where I have my embellishments, I think it's amazingly awesome because when you pick it up, all these little doodads come out if you want them to. Okay, yeah, the lid keeps falling on me, but like they all come out. You can put stuff under there. You cannot use these and leave this totally open. I love that, and I love using the toolbox because I feel like the toolbox, first of all, is like more sturdy because they're expecting you to put tools and stuff in it. But I also love it because like with crafts and stuff, they usually make the, you know, the containers like really small and stuff, like for a craft and for itty bitty beads. But I like these because they're bigger, because they're expecting you to put like big bolts and stuff in them. So if you needed to, like me, you can put the smaller containers into the bigger ones, but it doesn't stop you from like putting large things in here. Like in here, I just have like chalkboard tags from goodness knows how long ago, because I don't know, they're just random things. But I mean, so I like that they're bigger, and you can like use smaller containers to put in there, because again, they're expecting you to put bolts in there. So I just want to show you all with this stuff's all like, I just finished wiping it out with some wipes, but I would like to point out, like, this is really deep for like a craft thing. And this is the where's my thing at? This is like the toolbox part itself, and this is the thing that goes on top of it. But I'm just saying, like, this right here, I didn't bring my bin over here. Hold on just a second. Okay, I don't know why it's upside down. I'll have to figure that out. Sorry, I just realized, like, for some reason it looks like it's recording like upside down. Anyways, so this is one of the Dollar Tree bins that I put in here. I mean, obviously it's not going to stay in here, but I mean, just for example, like, you could fit a whole bin of, which I'm going to, like the glues and stuff that you need, and still put this up here and put your scissors and stuff in it. And it does still close. You know, I love these because you ain't getting in there, guys, but it does still close and stuff. And I mean, like I said, if you want to keep stuff together, you just put one in there, and there's still more room for other stuff. Okay, so this is the bottom one, and it is huge. Like, to me, this is actually the dimensions. I didn't realize they're right here. So, but I also wanted to show you on this, like, these wheels, they're not like little wheels that go on like a real craft cart. That's why I absolutely love, like, I mean, it's very durable, and I mean, you can see it's very thick. And then I did like, again, please excuse my room because I'm trying to organize. I feel like organizing always gets like a mess until it's done. But so here is the handle, but I mean, I like that, like, it goes down, and so everything will just like, whoopsie, like, it's just very compact when you want it to, but then you can pull it up and walk with it. I just super love it. And I mean, I got this years ago, but let's see, maximum load is 100 pounds, stabilizing, interlocking, 7-inch all-terrain wheels, removable bins. But again, the reason that I really like this is just because it's not like, a lot of people may not like it because it's like black and it's not very girly, but I love it because it's just so thick and durable, and it's going to go amazing around my house. But I have finally like got all of them cleaned out, and I'm starting to put stuff in them. This one right here is just fully cleaned out. I haven't put that together yet, but these are all stuff that I took out. But so I'm starting to put stuff back in that I might need, so I don't have to run and grab things all the time. So let's keep organizing our little toolbox craft carts. So just another thing about like the middle quote toolbox one. This is just like, well, the toolbox. These little plastic things that they have back out at the Dollar Tree again fit in here. And you could still put stuff next to it just in case you wanted to organize your stuff into bins in here. So 2 of them fit in here, and you can still fit this on top and close it. So you could have 2 of these filled with different things you want. There's still space there. There's not really any space here, but there's still stuff over here. And like I said, 2 of the bins fit in here. So there is another storage idea for you. You all, I just recorded for you for like 5 minutes, and then I realized I was not really recording. So anyways, what I said was I have decided that one of my projects I want to work on is just recovering some notebooks, and I learned that from Lyric Lovers Crafts. It must have been at least 2-3 years ago, and she recovers them so beautifully, and so I just thought maybe I'll just do that. They're kind of simple, quick, and just something to start off with. So I did just put different notebooks. Some are from the Dollar Tree, some are from, I don't even know, different places. I have way more notebooks than this, but I just wanted to start with these ones, and so I put them in this Dollar Tree bin. And I'm going to snap it closed. So now I will place that into the bottom of my large like bottom bin with the wheels. And now I'll just decide like what kind of papers and stickers, and just get another bin and kind of fill it with all that stuff. I'm not going to have any rhyme or reason right then, but at least I'll have it all together so I can kind of get some ideas. And then over here, I won't need to go get any like tools really, because I put a little mat down there. I'll show you guys when I'm all done. But then up here are just some different little tools. I need to go get more. And then in here, I have started filling it with different glues and glue tape and glue dots. Not glue tape, just double-sided tape and stuff, just so that it will be in the bottom of this bin and I don't have to really keep getting up and grabbing things. So we are just going to continue. I feel like to go with my little notebooks, I've also, again, I said I'd probably do about 2 crafts. I decided I wanted to finish making my recipe books from the Dollar Tree photo albums. I have so many of those, and I just looked in this bin that I haven't looked in forever, and I have so many recipe cards still. I have all these papers that I've already cut out. I mean, all of these, obviously I cut out a time ago, that fit into those notebooks for the recipe books. So I figure, and I mean the paper and cards and all the like embellishments and stuff I'm going to need for that is kind of like I'll still need those kind of things for my notebooks. So I feel like instead of clogging my toolbox thing here with all just different craft stuff, I'm just going to kind of keep them on the same wavelength. So these are the 2 crafts that I'm going to work on and stack into my toolbox. Okay, so although it's not all the way done yet, you guys get the point at how just super spatial thing, whatever this like toolbox, which I use for a craft kit, is. So I just have these 2 things down here, the 2 crafts I plan on doing. I put a book in there because I want to use that book for things. And then on top of that, I'm going to add the next one. So then I just latch this in here and this in here. Those are stickers and stuff I have to put away. And then I will put my next thing in here. I need to put more stuff. That's just like one of the Dollar Tree cutting mats. And then I definitely need to put like more glues and stuff in here. I do want to put a hot glue gun and hot glue because I do use that often. But for right now, there's that. And then I was looking for, okay, here's my toolbox, like the top of my toolbox thing. So there is that. That just has like my scissors and stuff like that in it. So then we will latch the front of this like quote toolbox. And then, sorry guys, and then we have the last piece here, which is, let me just, again, we're going to push that in. Push that in so that when you take it places, let me make sure it's down, so that when you take it places, like it doesn't slide off. And then this is like the top piece, but again, I don't have anything in those, but those are supposed to be for screws and stuff, but I'll put, I don't know, beads maybe in them, I don't know, and then they all come out if you just want it to be open. And then this part, latch, and this latch. Ooh, hard to do one-handed. So now we have our little 3-panel thing. It is not falling off, I will promise you that. And then we say we want to go somewhere. So we're ready, like maybe we have whatever in here and I don't know. So we're gonna push this red thing down very hard again to do one-handed. And there we go. And we will just go off to where we're going. I love this thing, guys. Absolutely love it. So just wanted to show you a little bit. Like I said, I've had it for years, but I'm just gonna start using it again. And I just love it. So just wanted to show you how I use this toolbox as my craft cart. So I'll see you guys later.